Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be analyzing Ripple and Stellar. We will see where they might move over the next weeks and months. We will be evaluating our predictions made over the last weeks and months. Please subscribe to our channel in order to receive new technical analysis, and if you want to have personalized technical analysis, suggestions about stocks, cryptocurrencies and forex, you might want to join our growing community on Patreon. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with XRP. As I've been stating several times, I was and I am strongly bullish on XRP. I do believe we are going to hit 0.50 US dollar in a very fast way. That was my very first target that I've been underlying in my previous videos. So if you have the chance to watch out my previous videos, you will see that actually 0.50 was my very first target. So now let's see what is happening right now. We have broken above the 0.30 area. Okay, we have experienced a huge increase in terms of volumes. Now, as you can see here, we have a spike in volume in association with the long white candle breaking above the 0.30 US dollar area. So if we switch to the weekly chart, we will better understand, or to the day before, we will better understand where we are. Okay, so 0.30 US dollar was the main horizontal resistance that I was talking about over my previous analysis, and right now actually we've definitely broken over 0.30. We can project the difference between 0.30 and this area 0.15, which gives us 0.45 as a very first target. But if we analyze the weekly chart, we will see that actually we can have a better view of what we should be expecting. So now what we see here is a huge increase in terms of volumes. We see a spike in volume. So where we are heading into, as you can see here, we have space till at least 0.50 US dollar. So very first target 0.50 US dollar, and then we're going to move to 1 US dollar. So from 0.50 I do expect a period of small period of squeezing. And after testing the 0.50, we are definitely going to 1 US dollar. Now, if we analyze the MACD, as you can see, we have detected a strong bullish divergence, and for the very first time on a weekly chart, we see that the MACD is in the positive area, is above the zero, which is an extremely bullish signal, with the blue line crossing above the orange one. So in terms of MACD, in terms of the indicator, we have all the clear indications that we are inside a bullish momentum. Okay, now again, analyzing the price action, if we zoom in a little bit, we see that this spike in volumes seems to be actually comparable to the ones that we have experienced in November, December 2017, when we have experienced a huge run-up, and actually we have hit the all-time high around 3.8 US dollar. Right now is early to say that we're going to hit 3.8 US dollar, yet since Ripple is lagging Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is approaching the all-time high around 20,000 US dollar, I'm quite confident that we might see Ripple as well hitting the all-time high quite soon. Could be 2021 or 2022. Let's see. But definitely the most important thing that the entire price action is telling us is this huge increase in terms of volumes. Now, when we see such an increase in terms of volumes, that means that the strong hands have come in place and they're starting actually buying or accumulating into XRP. In other words, this is an extremely bullish signal. So when analyzing the naked price and the MACD, I can say that this spike in volumes is the most important factor that we can underline when analyze Ripple. Okay, analyzing Ripple. So 0.50, then 1 US dollar. After hitting 1 US dollar, we will have to reevaluate Ripple. So we will come out with a new technical analysis. Okay, I reinstate that for those one who are eager to learn more and to receive specific and detailed technical analysis and price action and price targets for any kind of stocks or cryptocurrency, you might want to join us on Patreon. Let's move on. Let's analyze Stellar. Stellar is lagging when compared with Ripple. This is a one daily chart. What we see here is that MACD is now positive with the blue line above the orange one, which is a positive signal, and actually we see that we are still below this relative high around 0.11 US dollar. Yet, with this long white candle breaking above this resistance area, this minor resistance area, we're going to hit 0.11 in a very fast way. Now let's switch to the weekly chart in order to better understand where we are. As you can see here, right now where Stellar is worth 0.096, we don't see a spike in volumes like we've experienced for XRP, yet here we have seen some spike in volume. Okay, so we're going to move next. The very first horizontal resistance will be 0.20 US dollar. So we have at least a 100% of gain in front of us, okay, but 0.15 will be the very first area before hitting 0.20. So right now I do believe we're going to hit 0.15 there. We might have a period of squeezing because we're going to test this actually horizontal resistance, and then we will be moving to 0.20. In terms of MACD, we are actually in the positive area, which means it's above the zero, yet the blue curve is still below the orange one, which is not such a positive signal. In other words, Stellar is lagging XRP, but I do believe we are going to see 0.15, then 0.20 to be hit quite soon. Thank you, guys.